Diva. So today I do have the pleasure of collaborating with Beautanics. If you want to know all the details and hear about this little powder, stay tuned for the video. Started to all my new supporters. My name is Alicia. Hey girl, hey. On this channel I do unboxing, hair reviews, hair tutorials, product reviews, all that good jazz. Anything hair related I pretty much do on this channel. So let's just jump into this bad boy right here. So like I said, this company is called Beautanics. They was nice enough to send over the Restore Revitalizing Beauty Greens with Collagen. And this is how it is packaged. It do come in a vanilla flavor. So I'm gonna run down all the benefits of using this product, how to use the product, as well as maybe insert it on how I take it. I will be using it for about 2 weeks, and I will come back and let you guys know what I think about this product. So a little backstory on me. I am in my late 20s. You guys know a female never tell her age. I do have 2 kids. My kids are 5 and 2 years old. So before I became a mom, I was always on the go. I had tons and tons of energy. I stayed in the gym. I literally used to get plenty of rest, like almost 8 hours of proper sleep. So since I became a mom, I really do lack a lot of energy. I'm always tired, sluggish. When I don't get a lot of rest, or I'm not getting rest at all, I start getting puffy eyes, dark spots, dark circles under my eyes, and I just look an overall mess. Even during the morning, I would literally have to do a whole skincare routine just to wake myself up, just to feel motivated. Even now during the pandemic, all I literally want to do is just sleep. I don't want to do my hair. I don't want to get dolled up because I'm just literally so exhausted. You guys, remote learning is exhausting. And because I lack energy, it's really hard for me to stay up and play with my kids. My kids are young, so all they want to do is just play. And when mommy have no energy, mommy can't play. And honestly, that really hurts that I can't play with my kids as much as I want because I'm just always tired. And then when I do play with them, I end up falling asleep. Or if we're watching a favorite movie, mommy ends up falling asleep. So with that being said, so when Beautanics sent over this little package, I was super excited. I finally felt that it was a product out there that will probably help all my moms out. So the Beautanics Restore Powder, it helps boost your energy, restore skin softness and moisturization, reduce joint pain, and improve mental clarity. Just by reading that alone, I know this product is going to be super helpful to me. So I will be putting this product to the test and actually seeing if it really does work. So pretty much the way you use the product is you put 2 scoops of this powder into your smoothie, into your drink, into your coffee, your tea, whatever you're drinking for the day. You use 2 scoops of it. So some of the ingredients that's in this product is organic reishi mushroom, organic hyaluronan, I hope I'm saying that right, organic MSM, organic vanilla, amla powder, and vitamin C. If you guys search up each individual products, you will see how much benefits this have to the skin and the body overall. As y'all can see, this package is not even open. I didn't even open it yet. I don't know what it smells like. I don't know what it tastes like. I'm going to give you guys a visual of how it looks up close. So this is how it looks. I actually like that it got a scoop in it. So that is really great because I wasn't too sure if I should use a tablespoon or a teaspoon. So I like that. So when I think of greens, I think of like a earthy smell, and I'm not really getting that. It don't smell like a earthy smell. It do smell like a hint of like chocolate. So this is how the scoop, let me just dump that out. But this is how the scooper looks. So I'm gonna go and make my first batch. Now I'm gonna be taking this every single morning. So every single morning I'm going to be making me a fresh smoothie. So I am coming back with my final thoughts on this Pure Beautanics green. So like I said before, this is how the packaging look. I do have like a lot left in this packaging, and I'm gonna explain why. First things first, if you are a mom, if you are a grandparent, a aunt, a cousin, don't even have to have your own kids, you help raising somebody else's kids, or you help taking care of somebody else's kids, and you're tired and you're worn out, this stuff right here, ladies, is what you ladies need to go out and buy. This stuff is the truth. So within a couple of days, my energy level was like really boosted. I was less tired. I didn't feel sluggish. So I got through my day without needing a nap, which is rare for me because being a mom of two, I always need to get a nap in somewhere, somehow. Another thing that I noticed is that my dark circles under my eyes started like fading. Now I did have a video clip of the before, but I accidentally broke my phone, so I don't have any access to that footage. I am going to insert a clip on how my face started looking after just taking the Pure Beautanics just for a couple of days. My dark circles are less noticeable. My under eye is not as puffy as it was before. I was really able to get a real good night's rest since taking this stuff. Like, I haven't slept like a baby in so long, but this, I was able to just sleep. Now another thing is the taste. Now I was starting out using 2 scoops, but I noticed the taste was kind of too strong for my liking. So what I started doing was just doing 1 scoop per day in the morning. I think this little bag should last me a little while if I'm only just using 1 scoop. Like I said, it really didn't have like a earthy taste to it, because you know when you hear the word greens you think of like a earthy taste, but this does not have a earthy taste. You can taste the vanilla in it, so I do like that as well. Another thing is I do have very sensitive skin, and I'm also lactose intolerant. So while taking this, I didn't experience any discomfort, as in like an upset stomach, constipation, or you know, have any type of diarrhea. I know TMI. I didn't have any type of allergic reaction to the product, like breaking me out and stuff. And the fact that it have mushrooms in it is really surprising to me, because your girl hate mushrooms. I do not eat mushrooms. I think they are nasty. So for me to be getting that vegetable into my system is really a plus. But like I always tell you guys, if you guys want to try something out and you are not sure about anything, always consult with your doctor if you are not sure about anything. But if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to check the description box. I will leave all the information on where you guys can purchase this product from, because 2021 is right around the corner, and for all my moms, we can't be out here, you know, sluggish, feeling like a zombie. Like our energy levels got to be up and stuff like that, because we stepping into a new year, new goals. So you ladies got to try this out. Definitely go and try this out. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And like I always say, don't forget to be your own kind of you. Stay beautiful and stay blessed, and Merry Christmas.